Can't afford anything.
This is Drewbie's bike check.
Hey, yo, I got 2003, what's up?
Alright, let's start with this thing. What we got on here?
I'm pretty sure it's a Series 2 frame. I don't know. Some Behringer bars, some OG pitchforks, an original T1 peg from like 96, an OG JPEG that's probably even older than that.
Yo, what's that? What's that paint job? Is that new?
That's what we call raw. It don't get no realer than that, motherfucker.
I mean, that's all you are, right? We just raw out here.
It's raw, nigga. It's raw.
All right, what's that seat setup you got there?
Oh,
that's pretty futuristic, though.
Yeah,
that's from the future.
I think it clips through the seat, maybe. I'm not even 100% sure anymore. It's been so long.
McNeil, what is that? I don't even
know that shit. Is that even a company anymore? McNeil, yeah, they make the
Miron sold it. Miron sold it. What's this fat ass back wheel back here too, man? And this peg, this is the shit.
Hey, what you know about that Sunring Glare? Shout out to John Moss.
Yo, big city.
What you know about the big city? The big T.
Some
got one of them little sprockets.
The little dinky dudes.
A season? What the hell sprocket is that?
Oh, that's a fit one. Austin gave Zach had it or something. He's not man enough for that. Hello, peg. Yeah, nice peg.
Shout out to the OG Perspectives.
What?
Axel.cjb.net. If you don't know, you don't know.
Throw the shout outs out there. Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
Shout out Team Toledo. Buck Dickman, I suppose. HD flip cam. What else we got going on here? My nigga Greg from Wisconsin.
Oh, holla. We can just end it with that, boy.
So tight.
That's sweet. Have you won a spine before?
No, never.